Submitting documents to Netflix for account approval is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your submission is successful. Step 1. Prepare your documents. Gather all necessary documents required for account approval. This may include identification, proof of address, and any other specific documents requested by Netflix. Step 2. Access your Netflix account. Log into your Netflix account using your credentials. If you do not have an account yet, you may need to create one before proceeding. Step 3. Navigate to the document submission section. Once logged in, go to the account settings or support section. Look for the option related to document submission or account verification. Step 4. Upload your documents. Follow the prompts to upload your prepared documents. Ensure that the files are in the correct format and meet any size requirements specified by Netflix. Step 5. Confirm submission. After uploading, review your documents for accuracy and completeness. Submit your documents and wait for a confirmation message indicating that your submission has been received. Once you have completed these steps, keep an eye on your email for any updates from Netflix regarding your account approval.